this video, I'm going to buy some Barbie fashions on eBay with a budget of only $10 Canadian. And first thing I'm going to do is click on free shipping. So any results that show up, I won't have to pay for shipping. Okay, great. Lots of options here. I'm just going to go through, pick out some favorites and open up in the new window, then we can get a better look. So I went through most of them and kept some favorites. These dresses here, there's 10 in the lot. They send you random dresses, so you don't really have a lot of choice in picking out the dresses. I'm just gonna hope that I get all those gowns that's in the picture. And this one here, I get one of these dresses. They also send you the dress randomly. So I'm hoping to get that one, or maybe that one, or that one. And it's only $1.42 Canadian, so I'm adding that to the cart. Okay, and let's see what else I opened up. Ooh, I really like this one. I love that blue shirt. It's really cute. And I like that it's 2 pieces, so I can mix and match with other outfits. And it's only $1.37 Canadian. Very cool. Okay, I'm almost halfway there. This one, I don't know if I like this one too much. I'm not sure if I like the material, so I think I'll forget that one. Ooh, I really like this one. I like that you get 3 pieces. You get the jacket, the shirt, and the pair of jeans. So I'm definitely going to add this one to the cart. Okay, I'm at $7.25. We're getting closer. Still not sure about that red dress. I might move that. Okay, this one, I'm not crazy about it. I think you only get 1 dress. The sellers pick the color, so I'm not going to get that one. I'm definitely getting this one. I love this dress, and I like the material. It doesn't look cheap. And it's only $1.44 Canadian. Looks like she's dancing. Alrighty. Okay, add that to cart. And here's another one that I really like, and it has 2 pieces, so I can also mix and match with other outfits, especially that fur vest. I think that would be really cute with some jeans. Okay, oh, I'm at $10.08, but there is a dress I wanted to remove because I want to add this one. This one I think is one of my favorites. I love the animal print and the color, so I think that would look really cute on one of my Barbies. Add that one to cart. It's only $1.41. Ooh, what about this one? Oh, I love this one. It's so pretty, and it's so detailed. That dress is amazing. Very pretty. Ooh, $250 Canadian. Wow, that's definitely way over my budget. So I'm at $10.24 Canadian, and I'm ready to purchase. I'm a little bit over, but that's okay. And a few weeks later, the packages started showing up at my door. Ooh, I love getting packages in the mail. Alright, let's start opening these up. Okay, I don't remember ordering this one at all. Must be from that random set. Alright, not too bad. And, oh, what? This must be the gowns I ordered. Wow. Huge disappointment. Huge. They're very cheap material. I really need to do something with these dresses. I can't leave them like this. Okay, so later in the video, I will show you what I have done with these dresses, and I hope you like it. Okay, another package. Ooh, here is the jacket, jeans, and shirt. I really like this outfit, and I like that I can mix and match with other outfits. And the material actually is pretty good. Okay, another package. Here's the jean skirt with the shirt. This is really pretty too. I like the material and I love the style. And I can mix and match with other outfits. Wow, this is my favorite. It's so pretty. The material feels really good too. I love it. Okay, I think this is the last one. This one has 2 outfits inside. And yeah, I like the material and I like the dresses. So now I'm going to try to fix these dresses, and I'm not a sewer, so I'm going to be using hot glue and ribbon and some lace. I just hope they look better. Let me know down below if you like the before or the after better. What did you think? Do you like it before or after better? Let me know down below. Okay, now let's take another look at all the other outfits.